Get a feel for the 2019 Audi Q7. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Make the most of every drive when you travel in modern style and comfort. Sculpted lines and a quiet cabin soothe your mind, while the latest safety and infotainment tech keeps you secure, focused, and entertained. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, electronic stability control, seat memory, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener,